be informed that we are going to be learning how to calculate real costs of capital and money cost of capital today. You are welcome to the classroom. My name is Femi Richworld. I represent Speedysuccess Professional. Now, when you are carrying out investment appraisal, the first thing you will understand is that long-term project has inflationary challenges. When a project is going to last for 5-6 years, then you needed to continue to know that two things will happen. And that will happen is that when there is inflation, the effect of inflation on the project will be one, on the selling price, and two, on the cost of finishing the project. Now, how do we apply inflation on discounting factor or MPV of the project? Number one, you calculate money cost of capital, and you also calculate real cost of capital. Now, let's quickly look at our definition. One more time, it is Speedysuccess Professional, 08148421111. You are welcome. Are we there? Now come closer. Let's see. We can look at the definition of our terms. Just go ahead. Now, for money cash flows, we say money cash flow refers to the amount of money paid or received at different point in time in the future when inflation has been applied. And real-time cash flow is the cash flow or the item or the value that the item will cost or will be sold for in the current time, Are we together? So when you talk of real cash flow and money cash flow, these are the realities of our days. So you do not go ahead and be a financial manager or prepare your solution for financial management or long-term project, and when the examiner say affects the inflation and you just ignore, don't ignore. Now, the next we'll look at is real cost of capital. Real cost of capital is the return or the dividend or the amount of money investors will require when they apply without inflation on the investment. The money cost of capital is the expected return when inflation is applied. Now, having known all of this, the best way to do this work is to now apply what we call Fisher's equation for your formula. One more time, my name is Femi Richworld, Speedysuccess Professional. You are welcome. You are on this platform and you have questions you want us to teach a particular topic. Just type there, please can you teach this topic? We'll come back online to show it to you. Also, you have questions, you will ask us, we will respond. Listen very well. Those of us who want to join our normal pay classrooms, you can click on the link, and when you come on the link, the admin will ask you the question. We call it KYC of Speedysuccess, and if you fail to respond, then you will not be able to be admitted to our platform. Please, let's look at the formula. Now, for the formula for calculating money cost of capital or real cost of capital, we say 1 plus M is equals to bracket 1 plus R. We close the bracket, open another bracket 1 plus I, close the bracket. M represent money cost of capital and R represent real cost of capital. I is inflation. Now let's look at this illustration before we leave the class. If a company A has a cost of capital of 12, get closer to it so that it can be clearer. Has a cost of capital of 12% and inflation rate of 5%, you're required to calculate the real cost of capital. Now, before we go to the solution, I want you to know that your examiner can ask you to calculate money cost of capital, real cost of capital, or even the inflation. Now, let's look at the solution. The solution here says you present the name of the company and state what you want to calculate, and then you go ahead and put the formula 1 plus M equals 1 bracket 1 plus R, close the bracket, open another bracket 1 plus I, and close the bracket. Now, for this question, money cost of capital is 12%, and real cost of capital we do not know. Inflation is known, which is 0.5. And applying the mathematical sense, I plus 1 plus R is equal to 1 the 1.12 divided by 1.05. And when you make out the subject formally, then 1.12 all over 1.05 minus 1 will give us 0.67, or in percentage 6.67%. Now, what that interprets is that the real cost of capital of this project is 6.7%, why the or 7%, why the money cost of capital is 12%. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Femi Richworld. We are Speedysuccess Professional. We're inviting you to join our real classrooms for your 300 level, 400 level, ICANN, ACCA, ANA. You will love it. One more time, you want us to attend to your company, ask information or manage your account department. We are consultants, we are accountants, we are auditors, we are tax experts, and we are inviting you. We are also IC expert, ICT expert. All accounting software can be installed through our team, and we can also train your staff on the ICT. Please call 081-4842-1111, make your inquiry, and ask your question. You want a topic to be tutored on this platform, just ask. Please teach this topic. We'll be here. All right? What can I do? You are welcome. Thank you very much. Share the video if you love it. Put a star as your recommendation. Just put star. Click on star and we'll love you. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.